This is very interesting. We are to solve for the value of m if m factorial plus m factorial divided by m equals 12. Let us dive right into it. So this is the factorial equation we are given, and our target is to find the value of m. Before we proceed, I want us to evaluate this together. If you're given 4 factorial, it simply means 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. You end in 4 because it is 4 factorial. You start the multiplication from 1 and end at the number 4 because we are solving for factorial, right? We can evaluate this further by saying 4 factorial equals 3 factorial times 4. The reason is that 1 times 2 times 3 is obviously 3 factorial. Just the way 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 is 4 factorial, it means 1 times 2 times 3 is 3 factorial. Times this 4 gives us 4 factorial. What has happened here? How did we get 3? 3 is obtained by subtracting 1 from 4. What it means is that 4 factorial is the same thing as 4 multiplying 4 minus 1 factorial, because 4 minus 1 is 3. So 4 minus 1 is 3 so this 4 minus 1 factorial will give us 3 factorial times 4. That is what we have here. So now let's compare this with this. Instead of 4, we now have m. So we can write m factorial in this format. So m factorial can be written as m, to replacing 4 now, into m again in the place of 4 minus 1 factorial, plus we have another m factorial here and we represent it in the same way, divided by m equals 12. What you see here is m into m minus 1 factorial in two places. So it means we have 2 m into m minus 1 factorial divided by m. At this point, this m will cancel out this m here, and we'll be left with 2 into m minus 1 factorial equals 12. The problem is getting simpler. We are looking for m, so let's remove 2 from here by dividing both sides of the equation by 2, which means m minus 1 factorial will be equal to 6 because 12 divided by 2 is 6. At this point, what we just need to do is to express both sides in the form of factorial. So here we have n minus 1 factorial. Let us write the factorial form of 6. Of course, you agree with me that 1 times 2 times 3 gives us 6. And 1 times 2 times 3 is the same thing as 3 factorial. So we can say that n minus 1 factorial equals 3 factorial. Now look at this. We have this factorial and 3 factorial. If this factorial and this factorial are equal, it means m minus 1 is definitely equal to 3. If m minus 1 is equal to 3, to obtain m, we add 1 to both sides of the equation, so that m will be equal to 3 plus 1, which gives us the value of m to be 4. So the answer to this question is 4. Simple and straightforward. If you understood this, then try this simple one. Solve this 4 factorial plus 3 factorial divided by 10. Please put your answer in the comment section and I'll be there waiting for you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is in the comment section of this video. Hope to see you in our next video.